Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Okay, so this time I will teach about circle. Okay, so parabola next video. Okay, so what is a circle? Circle is a locus of a moving point P, X, Y such that its distance from a fixed point C, which is center, is constant. Okay, so this is point P. So point P, this one is moving around the center, this one. Okay, so this is center. Okay, so the point P moving around the center with the same distance R. Okay, okay, so moving here, and this movement, the movement of point P will produce a circle. Okay, so the distance R, this one we call it as radius. Okay, okay, so the standard form of the circle. Okay, so standard form of the equation of a circle. Okay, okay, so ada salah sikit kat sini. Okay, so this is the standard form, which is x minus h power of 2 plus, here is bracket, y minus k power of 2 equal to r square. Okay, so h and k is the coordinates of center. Okay, so center is 1, h and k. Okay, so r is the radius. Okay, so if you notice this one, it is actually Pythagoras theorem punya formula ni. Okay, so this one is CAB. Okay, so A square plus B square equal to R square. Okay, so siapa yang nak faham boleh fahamkan. Okay, so saya boleh tunjuk kat sini. Okay, so this one. Okay, so nanti bolehlah try fahamkan. Okay, so biasanya student hafal je lah ni. Okay, okay, so next. Okay, so here example. Find the radius and the coordinates of the center if the standard form of a circle is x plus 5 plus y minus 1 square equal to 4. Okay, okay, so standard form of the circle is x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to r square. Okay, so center, okay, so center, so standard form here is minus h, but here positive 5, so therefore we need to take negative 5. Okay, so kenapa? Nanti saya tunjuk. And then for y coordinate, here is negative k and here is negative 1, so we take only 1. Okay, so radius, so r square, but here is 4. Okay, so r square is equal to 4, so r equal to square root 4, which is equal to 2. Okay, so tadi kenapa ni negative 5? Okay, so because of this one, x negative is negative 5 power of 2 plus y minus 1 square equal to 4. Okay, 4 is 2 power of 2. Okay, so standard form is x minus h power of 2 plus y minus k equal to r square. Okay, so center is hk and radius r lah. Okay, so tengok tadi yang atas. So this is the standard form hk, so hk will be the coordinate of the center. Okay, so here negative. Okay, so compare yang tadi. So hk and here is negative. Okay, so negative, so meaning h is negative 5. Okay, so h is negative 5 and k here is 1. Okay, and r is 2, radius is 2. Okay, so nanti kalau dalam exam nak kena buat macam ni ke, nak kena pecahkan negatif, tak payah, so korang faham je lah. So if positive 5, so we take here negative 5, so if just negative 1, so we take 1 lah. Okay, so kalau positif, simbol dia negatif, terbalik. Okay, so ni students mistake, so biasanya kesilapan dia macam ni. So positive 5 dia terus ambil positive 5, negative 1 dia ambil negative 1, and 4 dia ambil 4, so ni salah. Okay, so next. So write the equation of a circle x square minus 14x plus y square plus 88y plus 40 equal to 0 in standard form. Okay, so hence sketch the circle by indicating the center and radius. Okay, so standard form ni macam ni tadi, x minus h power of 2 plus y minus k power of 2 equal to r power of 2. Okay, so we need to transform this one in this form. Okay, so how to transform in this form? So we need do completing square. So x square, so first make sure the coefficient of x square and y square is 1. Dah satu belum? Okay, sudah. So since it is already 1, so we just do it, plus 1 bracket power of 2 minus 1 bracket power of 2, this is for x, and then for y 1 bracket power of 2 and minus 1 bracket power of 2, and then plus by 40 equal to 0. Okay, so inside the bracket we take negative 14 divided by 2. So this is for x, so we take coefficient of x, negative 14. So here also same, negative 14 over 2. And this one for y, so we take coefficient of y, which is positive y over 2. Here also same, positive y over 2. Then simplify, so we will have x square minus 14x plus by negative 14 divided by 2 is negative 7 power of 2 minus, here also same, negative 7 power of 2 plus by y square plus 8y plus by 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 power of 2 minus by 4 power of 2 plus 40 equal to 0. Okay, so next make it 1 bracket power of 2, and inside the bracket we put x and negative 7, then minus, so this one minus negative 7 power of 2 is positive 49, and then plus 4y untuk y, so bracket power of 2, inside the bracket we put y and we put positive 4, and then minus, so this one minus 4 power of 2 is 16, and then plus by 40 which is equal to 0. Okay, so next x minus by 7 power of 2, and then plus by y plus 4 power of 2 minus 49 minus 16 plus by 40 is equal to 0. Okay, so next calculate negative 49 minus 16 plus 40. Okay, so you have here x. Okay, so x minus by 7 power of 2 plus by y plus 4 power of 2 minus by 25 equal to 0. Okay, so standard form we have x minus 7 power of 2 plus y plus by 4 power of 2 equal to 25. Okay, so sama ke tak dengan standard form? Okay, so x minus h power of 2 plus y minus by k power of 2 equal to r power of 2. Okay, so therefore we have the center, so here minus h 7, and then here minus, but here positive, so we take negative 4. Okay, and radius r is equal to, here r square is 25, so radius is square root of 25. Okay, so siapa yang tak nampak, saya akan buat macam ni. Okay, so r power of 2 is equal to 25, so r is equal to square root 25, which is equal to 5. Okay, so you already have the center and the radius. Okay, so next sketch the circle by indicating the center and radius. Okay, so put the center, which is 7, -4, and then use your protector, jangka lukis. Okay, so guna jangka lukis, so we take R equal to 5 and then draw a circle. Okay, okay. So gunakan jangka lukis. Ni saya dah tunjuk ni, korang kena buat guna jangka lukis. Okay. Okay, so next question. Find the equation of a circle with center -3, 1 and passes through the point -1, 4. Okay, so gambaran dia, the picture, we have center here which is -3, 1 and passes through point -1, 4. Okay, so center we already have. Okay, so to form the equation of the circle in the standard form, x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to r square. So we need center, this one, and radius. Okay, so center we have, but radius we don't have. So we need to find the radius. So how to find the radius? Radius is the distance between the center and the one point given, this one, -1, 4. Okay, so macam mana nak cari? So R is equal to square root of -1 minus by -3 power of 2 plus by 4 minus by 1 power of 2. Okay, so you will have square root of -1 minus -3 is 2 power of 2 plus by 4 minus 1 is 3 power of 2. So equal to square root of 4 plus 9, which is equal to square root of 13. Okay. Okay, so next substitute into this one. Okay, so this is R. Okay, R power of 2. So R power of 2 is square root of 13 power of 2, which is equal to 13. Okay, so substitute. So we have x minus by h is -3 power of 2 plus y minus by k is 1 power of 2 equal to r square. So r square is 13. Okay, so you will have x plus 3 power of 2 plus by y minus 1 power of 2 equal to 13. Okay, finish. Okay, so next, last. Okay, so last question. Okay, so next, find the equation of a circle with the points A3, 5 and B7, 1 as the end of its diameter. Okay, so gambaran, the picture, it is like this. This is the circle and it has a diameter like this. Here is A and here is B. Okay. Okay, so to form the equation of the circle, so we need center and radius. Okay, so center, both center and radius we don't have, so we need to find the center. So center located at the middle of the diameter. Okay, so this is, here is center. So we need to find the center by using formula of midpoint. So midpoint of AB. Okay, so center is equal to midpoint of point of the line AB. So which is equal to 3 plus by 7 divide by 2 and then 5 plus by 1 divide by 2. So which is equal to 3 plus 7, 10, 10 divided by 2 is 5 plus 5 plus by 1, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, so now we already have the center. Next, find the radius. So radius is distance between center and point B or center and point A. Okay, so tak kisah. Okay, so find the distance between point C and B. between center and point B. Okay, so we have square root. Point B we have here 7, 1, and here C is 5, 3. Okay, so 7 minus by 5, power of 2, plus by 1 minus by 3, power of 2. So we have here square root of 7 minus 5 is 2, power of 2, plus by 1 minus 3 is negative 2, power of 2. Okay, so I write down here. So we have R equal to square root of 2 power of 2 is 4, plus by negative 2 power of 2 is 4. So I have square root of 8. Okay, so therefore R square is equal to square root 8 power of 2. So R square is 8. Okay, okay, so kenapa saya cari R square? Because nak pakai R pun tak apa sebenarnya. Okay, so since the standard form of the equation of the circle is x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to r square. Okay, so next put the center h and k. So what is h? Coordinate of x, which is 5. So x minus by 5, power of 2, plus by y minus by k, which is coordinate y of the center, which is 3. Power of 2 is equal to r square, which is 8. Okay, so we have this one. Okay, so nak kena kembangkan kuasa 2 tak? Boleh nak kembangkan. Okay, so kalau nak kembangkan kuasa 2 tu biasanya soalan akan minta general equation of the circle, but this one just the equation of the circle lah. Dia tak minta general equation ataupun standard form. Okay, so you can give this one. Okay, okay, so that's all for this video. Okay, so next time I will share another exercise for circle. Okay, so thank you and assalamualaikum.